Effective brand on paper towel durability. The question was, how does the brand affect the durability of the paper towel? My hypothesis was that if you spend more on the paper towel, then it will be able to withstand more pressure before it breaks, because the more well known it is, the more expensive it is, meaning they spend more money on it, meaning they manufacture it better. My literature review was an online encyclopedia article called Paper Towel Strength Challenge, and it helped me figure out the step and the general idea to use for my experiment. My dependent variable was the amount of seconds the different brands could hold the amount of weight for. My independent variable was the brand of paper towel. The materials were the paper towels, the mug, rubber bands, washers, coins, scale, water, a medicine cup. My procedures: I went to the store to buy the stuff. I got all the other supplies together. I put it in one place. I set up the paper towel by placing it on the mug and using the rubber band to secure it by putting it over the rim of the cup. And then I poured the amount of water onto the paper towel and then stacked the washers on it until it broke. And then I wrote down my results. I repeated this 3 times for each brand. This is my data table, and it shows the different results I got for each thing in grams, going from the one that held the most to the one that held the least. This is how I did my experiment. The first picture is before I put the water on it. The second picture is after. And then this is when I stacked the coins and washers on it, and that's after it broke. This is my graph showing the averages for each paper towel before it broke, the average amount of weight each one held before it broke, going again from greatest to least. I learned that the average amounts for each one was Sparkle held 413, Food Lion 192.3, Food Lion Regular 192.3, Food Lion Premium 745, Bounty 914, Viva 705.3, Scott 554.3. Bounty held the most, and Food Lion Premium held the second most. The one that held the least was Food Lion Regular. The conclusion was that the purpose was to test the durability by how much it could hold. The one that held the most was Bounty. Second most was Food Lion Premium. Those were the strongest and most durable. The least durable, which held the least weight, was Food Lion Regular. My hypothesis was sort of correct because Bounty is one of the most popular brands and it held the most, but Food Lion Premium is not explicitly known to be explicitly known throughout society and stuff, which held the second most, which held more than some of the more well-known brands. The two new things I learned was that name brand doesn't necessarily mean better, and the second thing I learned is the brand that's focused on making better quality is better. The thing I could do is for further investigation is I might be able to test an abrasion test to test the durability, and I could also compare it to cleaning cloths like microfiber cloths.